you have to go to your Play Store. When you open Play Store, search for Microsoft Office. When you search for Microsoft Office, you have to select the Office app that has that logo. The one that has that logo, that's the one we are going to be working with. After installing the app, when you open the app, this is the menu it takes you to. Now at this point, you can type in your mail, the phone number or Skype name if you have a Microsoft Office account. But if you don't have a Microsoft Office account, you can either create one by clicking on sign up for free or sign in later. So when I click on sign in later, it takes me to this part. Then I read the instructions. I'll have to click next. Then it takes me to this point. Yeah, it depends on you. After reading the instruction, you can decide to select don't send me optional data or accept and send optional data. But I would choose don't send optional data. So up to this point, I'll click on the close. Now it takes us to this part, the interface of the Office mobile software. Now we'll start from the top to look at it. Now this point is your profile. If you link it to your online account, your picture, if you have a profile picture, it's going to be shown there. So once I click on that part, you can see connect your account. If you don't have an account, it's not yet connected. Assuming it is connected, your name and some of your details will be displayed here. This way we'll make settings, some certain settings we want, can share and tell our friends about the app. So that's all about here. Let's go back. Now, here is there are some features you will not see unless you subscribe for it. So that's the premium icon. So this is what? File. So once I click on file, now at this point I can add what? A file from my device. I can also get a file from my online account, that is from cloud or Google Drive or SD card. I can also connect directly to cloud using this icon. Okay, but we're not going into that now. Let's go back. Now at this point, this is what our search icon. If you want to search anything, you click on it and you search. It brings out whatever document. If you don't know the location of the document, just simply search. Use the search bar and it searches the document for you. This will search for any document in our device and it brings it up. So we'll go back. Now here we'll filter, because at this point we have what recent and we have what shared. Now this recent file, I've not opened any file before, but there are times that we'll have so many files that we have worked on. Different files. You know, this Office software is a suite. It has what? PowerPoint, Excel, Notes, and some other softwares. So if you have worked on different softwares, so many softwares, we need to what? To filter it to know which one we want to see. Let's say we have opened Node, PowerPoint, and the Excel. I can decide to filter because probably the files are too many to get the one I want. I can start to click on filter and you can see, I can say I need only Word. If I click on Word, what will display is only Word, but I don't have any document here. So when I have document, only Word document will be displayed at the recent part of it. So this is shared. It shows you the ones you have shared. It's still showing connect your account because I am yet to connect my own account to it. So assuming I have connected it, some of my details will be shown here. Now by default, it is on home. It is on home. Now, if I click on this plus button, this is what comes up. So we have notes, scan, voice. So we can create, by clicking on Word, to create a Word document, Excel document, PowerPoint, and forms. So these are the things you can create by clicking on the Word button, by clicking on the plus button. So I have to go back. Now if I click on what? This action button here. Now we see transfer files, share nearby, image to text, image to table, sign, PDF. So we're going to scroll up, we see pictures to PDF, document to PDF, PDF to Word, scan, QR code, create a form. All these are the features we can use in this software. If I click on this plus button here, once I click on the plus button, there are a number of options. Let's say we want to create a Word document. So I can click on Word here. When I click on Word, I have what? Scan text, dictate, blank document. Now this scan text can help us scan a document on hard copy. That is a printed document already on paper. We can scan the text back into our Word software. Now for example, if I click on this scan, it opens my my camera for me to scan a text. And I have a text on a book here. Let's say I want to scan this text. So now I will press the snap button or capture button and once I click on it to scan the text. Now I can adjust by clicking and dragging this inside. If I still want to adjust this other edge, I'll still click and drag to adjust it where I want it to be. I can come here too and adjust this part. Click and drag inside. Adjust this part, so you click and drag inside. Now still come here and adjust this part a little. So if I'm okay with it, I click on what? Confirm. Now we have the document in soft copy. If I still want to make other adjustment, I come to filter to change the color and every other thing. I can crop if I still want to crop, but if I'm done, if I like it the way it is, I just click on done. So now it is what? Converting to Word. To take some time, some few minutes to actually what? Make that text we just snapped into what? A soft copy format. Now you can see, I click on got it. You can see now our text now is now in a soft copy format. The text we snapped from the book. So this is how we can what? Bring our document from hard copy to soft copy. That is from a printed copy into what? Into the computer system again. In a soft copy, for instead of what? Retyping the document. So I can click on what? This tick sign. So now our document is there. We can edit it if we want to. Alright, thank you very much. We'll go back to this plus button and we click on the plus button. We are going to click on create. Under this create, we'll click on Word. Then from Word, we are going to come to this dictate icon. So I'll click on dictate. Now this dictate has a feature to take in voice commands. So whatever I say now will be typed. This voice command is not always accurate. You can make some changes if it is not giving you the right words in terms of text. You can still make some editing and make the changes you want. So we'll go back. Go back again. Go back. I'm going to click on the plus button and I select Word. This time I'll come over to blank document. Now at this blank document spot, this is where we have to do our typing from scratch without using any special feature. We are going to type using the buttons on our mobile screen. So if I want to type anything, I just simply press the buttons and it comes up. So this is how we can create document from scratch, typing on our phone.